terrible massacre on the 7th of October and all the settlements surrounding the Gaza Strip left massive destruction to the houses, the buildings, the paths, the trees, kindergartens, dining halls, houses burned, homes destroyed, bullets, remains of large-scale explosives. All this obliges us to commemorate, for the sake of memory of the people of Israel, what happened here on this cursed and terrible day. The Israel Antiquities Authority, together with the Tkuma administration and the Ministry of Heritage, have embarked on a huge national project for documentation, remembrance, and commemoration of all the terrible sights from that day. Everything we are doing here is with extreme sensitivity. We're talking about people's homes, their memories. At first, you focus on how to fix things, how to repair everything as quickly as possible. And at some point, you realize that you have to stop for a moment and to ensure that we commemorate what happened and what they did here. This is an extremely complicated project. We are using various technologies, scanning the exterior and interiors of the buildings, using special cameras and drones. We will use this material as the basis for a memorial project. It will be possible to navigate through this virtual space today and decades from now and experience this place as it looks now, with all the destruction and looting that was perpetuated here.
In the office, we collect all the materials from the field and use technologies that we usually employ for documenting archaeological sites.
We want to collect as much material as possible and of the highest possible quality, so that we have sufficient documentation for any use that will be needed in the foreseeable future.
The vast amount of information collected in the field must be processed to create a layer which compiles the information together. This will serve as a base for the commemoration for a virtual museum of the settlements around the Gaza Strip.
This will become the national database for what happened in this area. A project led by the Israel Antiquities Authority for the documentation of what happened during the terrible massacre on October 7th will be preserved for generations and is being executed at the highest professional level. The people involved see it as a mission. It's not a simple task. It is complicated. In a few years, children not yet born will be able to open books and computers and see the terrible destruction that took place in the settlements around the Gaza Strip.